in the boat up in front. There you go.
Do you have to really take me doing this?
Yes, it's fun.
Okay,
you're good. Here's your water, Bubba. And you take it and put it over there.
No, I will take my water. I promise I won't draw.
Got the handle. Got it? All right.
Watch the sprinklers.
Yeah, watch the sprinklers, Gabe. Logan.
Yeah, I'm sure he's watching them. They'll run right into him.
You know what? Let me go change these pads out.
We're not for sure this is
Yeah,
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Because we always play them because we're the little ones. We played over there for last year.
Thanks.
Look in the distance. You look in the distance, you can see it coming down real bad.
What was that?
Coming down. For some reason, Gabe just keeps on rubbing his helmet.
He keeps him paying attention and sitting still. I don't care.
I don't think he's paying attention to nothing but rubbing his helmet. He's just rubbing the sticker.
Come on, guys! There's a flag. But there's a flag, ain't there?
Y'all better block somebody! Y'all not blocking! Oh my God! Y'all is not blocking nobody!
Alright.
They're worried about their teammate.
We'll hold this till Gabe goes out there. Well, if you're wondering why there ain't too much footage of you playing this game, all you gotta do is look all around.
Try to shake off like a dog.
Yeah, we see you shaking off like a dog.
Oh, yes.
Hey man, where the hell does this dog keep coming from? It must be coming from inside her.
Stop. You ain't touching me, little boy.
What are you doing?
Filming.
This fucking umbrella
It's leaking.
is leaking.
Oh,
That's why it keeps dropping down on here. Alright, one last look, and then I'm putting this up. Here, you're gonna have to hold this so I can.
yeah.
Baby, you got to hold it.
I am holding
not
it.
drop it on me.